Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the top 10 benefits of agrimony. Agrimony, scientifically known as Agrimonia eupatoria, is a perennial herb belonging to the rose family. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its therapeutic properties. Known for its yellow flowers and slender green leaves, agrimony is native to Europe but can now be found in parts of Asia and North America. While it is often overlooked compared to more popular herbs, agrimony offers numerous health benefits that make it worth considering as part of a balanced, natural lifestyle. Here are the top 10 benefits of agrimony. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Agrimony is packed with antioxidants, which are crucial for combating oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage. The antioxidants found in agrimony, such as flavonoids, tannins, and phenolic acids, help neutralize free radicals and protect the cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Number 2. Supports digestive health. Agrimony has been traditionally used to treat digestive issues. It helps to soothe and tone the digestive system, making it beneficial for people who suffer from conditions like bloating, indigestion, and constipation. It acts as a mild astringent, which can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and promote smooth bowel movements. Drinking agrimony tea is a popular remedy for digestive discomfort. Number 3. Helps with inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. Agrimony's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable herb for managing inflammation. The flavonoids and other compounds in agrimony help reduce the production of inflammatory molecules, providing relief for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Number 4. Supports liver health. Agrimony is often used as a liver tonic due to its ability to stimulate bile production and promote detoxification. The liver plays a critical role in filtering toxins from the body, and agrimony can support this process by improving liver function. Drinking agrimony tea or taking agrimony supplements may help cleanse the liver and improve overall detoxification, which is beneficial for maintaining good health. Number 5. Aids in respiratory health. Agrimony has long been used to treat respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and bronchitis. It has mild expectorant properties that help loosen mucus from the airways, making it easier to expel. This can relieve symptoms of congestion and help clear the respiratory tract. Additionally, agrimony has anti-inflammatory properties that may help soothe irritation in the throat and lungs. Number 6. Promotes skin health. The astringent properties of agrimony make it a popular choice for skincare. When applied topically, agrimony can help tighten the skin, reduce the appearance of pores, and promote a clear complexion. Agrimony's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties also make it effective in treating minor skin conditions like acne, eczema, and skin rashes. Using agrimony extract in face masks or lotions can help maintain healthy, radiant skin. Number 7. Helps manage blood sugar levels. Several studies suggest that agrimony may help regulate blood sugar levels. It contains compounds that improve insulin sensitivity and may help reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. This makes it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Agrimony may also help with weight management by preventing the accumulation of excess fat. Number 8. Supports kidney health. The kidneys play an essential role in filtering waste products and maintaining fluid balance in the body. Agrimony has diuretic properties, which can help increase urine production and flush toxins from the body. By promoting kidney function and supporting the urinary system, agrimony can help prevent the formation of kidney stones and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. Number 9. Relieves anxiety and stress. Agrimony has mild sedative effects that can help reduce stress and anxiety. It is often used in herbal medicine to promote relaxation and ease the mind. By calming the nervous system, agrimony can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety, restlessness, and insomnia. Drinking agrimony tea or using it in aromatherapy can help promote a sense of calm and improve mental clarity. Number 10. Boosts immune system function. Agrimony has natural antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties. It contains compounds that can help the body fight off infections and strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption of agrimony may help prevent common illnesses like colds and flu, especially during the colder months when the immune system is more vulnerable. It can also help speed up recovery from illnesses by promoting overall health and vitality. 2 ways to incorporate agrimony in your diet. Now that you are familiar with the numerous benefits of agrimony, you might be wondering how to incorporate this powerful herb into your daily routine. Here are 2 simple ways to add agrimony to your diet. Number 1. Agrimony tea. One of the easiest and most popular ways to consume agrimony is by making it into a tea. Drinking agrimony tea regularly can provide digestive support, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. It's a simple yet effective way to enjoy the health benefits of agrimony. Number 2. Agrimony powder in smoothies or baking. If you prefer something more versatile, you can incorporate agrimony powder into your smoothies or baked goods. Agrimony powder is available in health food stores or can be made by grinding dried agrimony leaves into a fine powder. Incorporating agrimony powder into your smoothie is a great way to boost your immune system, support digestive health, and experience the calming benefits of this herb. You can also sprinkle the powder into oatmeal or yogurt or add it to baked goods like muffins or bread. Agrimony may not be as well known as other herbal remedies, but it offers a wide range of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. From its antioxidant properties to its ability to support digestive health, alleviate stress, and promote skin health, agrimony is a versatile herb with powerful healing properties. Whether you enjoy a cup of agrimony tea or incorporate its powder into smoothies and baked goods, this herb can easily fit into your diet. By taking advantage of agrimony's many benefits, you can enhance your overall health and well-being in a natural and effective way. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. See you next time.